Let me show you how I mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I come back. Then you have seen me marching now to show you that I have many tips for you. I'm Margaret Uloma Wosu. Americans call me Uloma. Nigerians call me Uloma. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, according to countries. I'm just coming to tell you all my secrets. If you are following me, you will just get from me. I lived in the US 18 good years, plus 2 years now that I've come back. Still, all those tips, I'm using them. That is helping me. Do you know my age? As I'm asking you now, do you know my age? I'm 76 plus. Can you believe that? Marching. So, grandparents, you follow me up. Here, you will be fit. I lived in Maryland, in US. Lived with Australians. Lived with Ghanaians. Lived with Sierra Leoneans. And I lived with Nigerians. They were asking me, what's your secret? Because sometimes they call me Jackie. Because I heard this, carry this, they say, Jackie, what's your secret? I said, I'm not telling you because you may not believe me, but if you want it, I can show you. I was taking those tips, I'm just revealing to you now. Taking it. Then, I stayed for 18 years. I didn't go to hospital. I wasn't admitted. They were telling me, what's your secret? Well, if I tell you, you won't believe it because of their soul, how America does. I said that when I get home, then I release it to the whole world for them to benefit what I benefited. I stayed there. Even when I came home, they told me, sir, that you have, as you're home now, you will go to hospital, they just look at you, your blood and everything, so that you'll be fit. I tell them, sir, no, I have my secrets. But these secrets is what I'm releasing for everybody. If you follow me one by one, you benefit from it. As a grandma of 9 children, as a grandma of grandchildren of 19, all living. Even as I'm strong, as I'm using all these things, if you see me, you may not believe my age. Even if I'm going at my children, you may doubt it. Are they sure that it's their mother? What's the secret? It's all these little things you may not count as anything, but it's something. Now, do you know what I want to show you now on this one? It's called ginger. Ginger, we get it from the soil. It's natural. But if you look how it hurts, you will not take it. But it's good. This is ginger. This is powdered ginger. Grind. Very good. So, and when I was in US, if I have cough or something on throat catching me, I said, no, you're not getting me. I just go and use ginger. I peel it, then chew it. After chewing it, I drink water. Then even the woman I was working with, I would tell her, if you tell me her symptoms, I'll tell her, come and have something for you. I just give her some. When she have it, chew it, drink, it's okay. Then when I came home, my grandchildren, they were coughing, having catarrh. I said, what are you giving them? They gave them medicine, they can't stop. I just go and grab fresh ginger. Do you know ginger? Even I didn't brush it, I just wash it. I cut it, give to them. Then bring water. Keep for them. They chew it. After chewing it, both the cough, both the sore throat, all gone. Can you believe that? Yeah, with that. This is a dry ginger because it's powdered, well grinded. If you don't use the fresh one, use this grind one. Use warm water like this. You pour it in. Then you use small, turn it. If you turn it, give them the drink. Even you, if you're having something paining you on your tummy, if you drink it, just go away. Then you take it with the warm water. You take it like this. You put it. You see? It's dissolving now. Make it like this. You see? You turn it like this. You drink it. That's it. Even if you're having sore throat, either you take the fresh one, you wash it. If you like to peel, you peel. If you don't like chew or it's okay. Then if after doing it, if it's your children, you just bring water. When they rub their head, you just give them water. They drink. It will just go away. The catarrh will run away. The cough will run away. When I gave it to my children, just stop. But they drink medicine, it didn't stop. So that's what I want to release for you. If you enjoy what I'm telling you now, please subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all.